Now let us see the procedure for Gaussian elimination method. Here there are 3 steps. First we have to write the augmented matrix AB. That means we have to join both A matrix and B matrix. So A matrix is nothing but all the coefficients of the unknowns, and B matrix is the set of constants written in single column. Now we have to combine both A and B matrix. That is called augmented matrix AB. So first step, write the augmented matrix AB. Then convert the augmented matrix into row echelon form. So already we studied about row echelon form. So convert the augmented matrix into row echelon form. Then third step, do the backward substitution method to get the solution. Here the backward substitution means the method of going from the last equation to the first equation is called the method of backward substitution. So we have to do this backward substitution method to get the solution. Now let us see one example for this problem. Solve these three system of three linear equations are given. We have to solve using Gaussian elimination method. So first step, write the augmented matrix AB. Here the matrix A is 2, 4, 6 and second row 3, 8, 5. Third row minus 1, 1, 2. Now I am going to add this matrix B here, that is the constant terms in a single column 22, 27 and then 2. So first step over. We have written the augmented matrix AB. Now the second step is convert this matrix into row echelon form. Okay, so first I am going to change this 2 as 1. I am going to make this 2 as 1. So for that I am going to divide the first row by 2. So R1 implies R1 divided by 2. So after giving this transformation, the matrix becomes like this. Now our next aim is convert this 3 as 0 and this minus 1 as 0, isn't it? So to convert this 3 as 0, I am going to give the transformation R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. So 3 times R1. R2 minus 3 times R1. 3 times R1 means this term becomes 0. Then to make this minus 1 as 0, simply add the third row with the first row. That is R3 implies R3 plus R1. So after giving these two transformations, the above matrix becomes 1, 2, 3, 11 and 0, 2, minus 4, minus 6, 0, 3, 5, 13. Okay, our next aim is convert this 3 as 0. So before that, see the second row elements all are even numbers which are divisible by 2. So we can divide the second row by 2. It will be easy to convert this 3 as 0 if this element is 1. So for that I am dividing the second row elements by 2. So after that the second row becomes 0, 1, minus 2 and 3. Now we can easily convert this 3 as 0. That is R3 becomes R3 minus 3 times R2. R3 minus 3 times R2. So if we give this transformation, then our matrix becomes like this 1, 2, 3, 11, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 0, 11, 22. Which is in the echelon form. See the echelon form, now this triangular form comes. So 1, 0, second row there is 1, 0 and in the third row number of zeros is 2. Now this matrix is in echelon form. So second step over. First step, write the augmented matrix and second step, convert it into row echelon form. So we have converted into echelon form. What is the third step? Backward substitution, isn't it? Starting from the last row, give back substitution to get the solution. That is the third step. Now start from the last row. Here x term 0 and y coefficient also 0 and the z coefficient is 11. So 11z is equal to 22. That is our constant term. This is our B matrix in the starting. Okay, so this represents the constant. So 11z is equal to 22. That implies z is equal to 2. Now move to the next row. This is x coefficient 0 and y coefficient is 1. So if we write it in equation form, y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Already we have calculated the value of z as 2. So substitute here the value of z as 2. Then we get the y value as 1. So z value, y value we have calculated. Next we have to calculate the x value. So move to the next row. So here x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 11. So the next equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 11. So already we have calculated the y and z values. Substitute it to get the x value. So after substituting the y and z values, we get the x value as 3. Now the solution of the given system of linear equations is x equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2. So this is our Gaussian elimination method.